In 1980, it begins as a raw steel frame, a fresh build, taking shape inside the factory. In 1981, the exterior evolves, refined with German precision and clean body lines. In 1982, the interior transforms. Stitched seating, analog gauges, and frames, welding sparks, conveyor belts, moving chassis, close-ups of mechanic hands, stitched upholstery, soft industrial premium luxury look, rotating stands showing newly painted car shells, three-quarter exterior dolly shots, chrome accents, bumpers, touch dashboards, stitched seats, analog gauges, switches clicking, driver POV shots, hands on steering wheel, warm tungsten BMW light bay close-ups, precise pistons, carburetor shots, mechanics using tools carefully, test track acceleration, telemetry overlays, tracking shots alongside moving car, 1980 prototype versus 1985 final. Slow dolly and orbit shots, soft cinematic music overlay, fade out with title overlay, 1985 final edition.